Good morning, children. Welcome to all of you in this session. Today, I am going to teach you the last chapter of this term, chapter 7, Fair Play. You know that this play is based on two friends, and between two friends there were a very deep friendship, and they were very close friends. But what happens in their life, we shall study about it. This story is written by the famous story writer Premchand. It was written in Hindi, but it is translated into English, and here we are going to study this chapter in English. First part, the first paragraph. Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were good friends. So strong were their bond of friendship that when either of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. Both were greatly respected in the village. Yes, the bond of friendship between Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were very strong, and either of them, whenever went somewhere, the other looked after his house, and they both were also very respectable person in the village. Now the second paragraph. Jumman had an old aunt who had some property. This is transferred to him on the understanding that she would stay with him and he would look after her. It means that Jumman had an old aunt who had no any other children of her, and who had some property, and she has transferred her property to Jumman Sheikh. The understanding between them was that she would live with Jumman and Jumman's whole family will look after her. He would arrange her livelihood in the house. The arrangement worked well for a couple of years, then the situation changed. Jumman and his family were tired of the old relatives. Jumman became as indifferent to her as his wife, who grudged even the little food that the old lady wanted every day. It means that this arrangement, this cooperation went for some year. After that, the situation, the condition of both wife and husband, means Jumman and Jumman's wife, became changed, and they were not so cooperative with the aunt as they were before, and they even did not want to give her properly food that she wanted every day. She swallowed these insults along with her food for a few months, but patience has its limit. You know that patience has the limit. Although she went with this arrangement for a couple of years, for few months, but patience has the limit. Third paragraph. One day she spoke to Jumman, "My son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen." After going so, one day the old woman told Jumman that he would give her some monthly allowance so that she could make her food daily herself. Next, "My wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient," said Jumman shamelessly. This made his aunt very angry, and she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. It means that Jumman, with shameful manner, told his aunt that his wife knows how to run the house, and therefore she, means Jumman's aunt, should have patience. And after hearing these words of Jumman Sheikh, the aunt became very angry, and she wanted to carry this case to the village panchayat. Fourth paragraph. For many days the old lady was seen talking to the villagers, explaining her case and seeking their support. Some sympathized with her, others laughed at her, and a few others advised her to make it up with her nephew and his wife. It means that when the aunt started to explain her case to the villagers, like all villagers, as we see at present time too, that some of them laughed at her, mocked her, and some also sympathized with her, and a few others also advised her that you are so old and you should not do such type of activity, and try to make with her nephew in a social manner. At last she came to Algu Chaudhary and spoke to him. "You know, Chachi, Jumman is my best friend. How can I go against him?" Algu said. When she came to his close friend Algu Chaudhary, at first Algu Chaudhary did not want to support her, because everyone knew that Jumman was his best friend, and how he would go against him, his best friend. At this Algu said, but the aunt said, "But is it right, my son, to keep mum and not say what you consider just and fair?" pleaded the old lady. "Come to the panchayat and speak the truth," she said. Algu did not reply, but her words kept ringing in his ears. When the aunt said that what you know is true, you can't speak these words in the panchayat. Please say what is true. And at this, Algu had no word to say to her, and her words started to ring in his mind, because these were such words that everyone have to consider over it. Everyone should say what is true. But at present time it does not happen. But some of our persons know that he or she would say what is the true. And considering this faith in herself, she told Algu Chaudhary to support her. Thank you. This is the end of this part. Now I shall give you a few words meaning which are flashing on your screen. After that, I shall give a few questions out of this part. You must try to solve the question. If there will be any problem with you, you must phone me. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.